Okay, we're going to do the greatest common factor by prime factorization. First of all, review our primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. There are more than that, but those are what we're focusing on. Division ladder, notice the L and the word ladder. That shape is what we're going to use to show our division. So the first number we are going to factor is 12. So we put our L over top of it, and then the lowest prime or any prime that you can divide by. I like dividing by 2. So dividing something by 2 is the same as taking half of it. So half of 12 is 6. That's a composite number, which means I can continue to divide. So I'm going to put another division, L, and then I know any prime goes into that. I know that I can take 3 out of that, and I'm going to get 2 because 3 times 2 is 6. So my factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. The other number I want to factor is 30. So I'm going to put my L bracket around it. And I know that any prime, but I'm going to use the 3 because 3 times 10, it gives me 30. Now 10 is composite, so I can go ahead and write another bracket over it. And then I can divide by any prime. And I know 2 times 5 is 10. Both of those are primes. So prime factorization of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Now to find my greatest common factor, greatest means it's the biggest one, so I want as many as possible, and common means they have to be common to both. So each of them has 1, 2. This one has a second 2, but there's no other second 2 here, so a second 2 is not common. But there's 3 here and a 3 here, so they both have 3, so those are common. And the last one has a 5, but it is not common. So that's not counted. So my greatest common factor is just 2 times 3, which is 6.